Well, I'm working on this Honda here. I know, shocker, shocker. And I just want to show off a cool little light that I bought. There it is right there. The Milwaukee Underhood light. Bunch of LEDs. I don't know how many there are, but you can see them. There's a lot of LEDs. And let me tell you, this thing is nice. Works off the M12 battery system. Just has a power on and a mode for two different brightnesses. You got like a medium and then a bright. So you can see, you just turn it on. I don't know if you can tell a difference. Then that's lower, that's high, that's off. I don't know how well the camera picks it up, but let me tell you, once I turn it on, I can really see that engine bay now. Real easy to install. You can see they just hook right around. They got nice rubberized plastic here so it won't damage anything. And then this whole light, not only does it turn, you can put it where you want, and you can pop it out if you want. You can pop it out. I can't do it with one hand, but you can pop it out and then just hang it like a drop light if you want. And you can move the whole light back and forth, so if you need it on one side of the engine bay or the other, you can move it, or if you want it right in the center. And I tell you, this thing is pretty nice. Once you have one of these, you wonder how you'd ever worked under an engine or under the hood before without one. In any event, just wanted to show you a quick little video of this light. I really like it. And hey, as always, if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.